Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore the impact of computer applications on the agriculture and engineering sectors. We'll be discussing how technology has transformed these industries and improved efficiency, accuracy, and decision making. So let's start with the agriculture sector. Computer applications have revolutionized farming in many ways. From precision farming to crop monitoring, irrigation management, yield prediction, and supply chain management. Technology has made it easier for farmers to make informed decisions and optimize their operations. Precision farming is a great example of how technology has improved farming practices. By using sensors and GPS to collect data on soil moisture, temperature, and crop health, farmers can make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This has led to increased crop yields and reduced waste. Crop monitoring is another area where technology has made a big impact. By using drones, satellite imaging, and sensors, farmers can track crop growth and detect issues such as pest, disease, and nutrient deficiencies. This allows them to take corrective action early and reduces loss. Irrigation management is critical for farmers to optimize water usage and ensure crops receive the right amount of water. Technology has helped farmers use sensors and weather data to optimize irrigation schedules and reduce waste. Yield prediction is another important area where technology has made a big impact. By using historical data, weather forecasts, and soil conditions, farmers can predict crop yields and make informed decisions about planting, harvesting, and marketing. Supply chain management is critical for farmers to ensure timely delivery of produce and reduce food waste. Technology has helped farmers track their produce from farm to table using supply chain management systems. So, what are the benefits of technology in agriculture? Increased efficiency, improved yields, reduced costs, better decision making, and increased sustainability are just a few examples. By adopting technology, farmers can improve their bottom line and contribute to food security. Now, let's shift gears to the engineering sector. Computer applications have transformed the way engineers design, build, and maintain infrastructure, from CAD software to simulation and modeling, data analytics, building information modeling or BIM, and virtual reality or VR. Technology has made it easier for engineers to collaborate more effectively and reduce errors. CAD software is a fundamental tool for engineers. By using computer-aided design or CAD software, engineers can create detailed designs and model of infrastructure projects such as bridge, buildings, and roads. Simulation and modeling software allows engineers to test and analyze the performance of infrastructure projects before construction begins. This reduces cost and minimizes errors. Data analytics is critical for engineers to analyze large amounts of data from sensors, cameras, and other sources. By using data analytics software, engineers can identify trends, optimize performance, and predict maintenance needs. Building information modeling or BIM software creates a digital model of infrastructure projects that includes details such as materials, schedules, and cost estimates. This helps engineers collaborate more effectively and reduce errors. Virtual reality or VR technology allows engineers to visualize infrastructures projects in 3D. This makes it easier to identify potential issues and optimize design. So, what are the benefits of technology in engineering? Increased efficiency, improve accuracy, reduce cost, improve collaboration, and enhance decision making are just a few examples. By adopting technology, engineers can improve their work processes and deliver better results. FEA is a powerful tool that allows engineers to simulate and analyze the behaviors of complex structures and systems. By using numerical methods to solve partial differential equations, FEA can provide accurate predictions of stress, strain, and other physical properties. CFD is another important tool that allows engineers to simulate the behavior of fluids and gases. By solving the Navier-Stokes equations, CFD can predict fluid flow, heat transfer, and mass transport. Robotics and automation technologies are revolutionizing the way we design, develop, and manufacture products. By using sensors, actuators, and control systems, robots can perform complex tasks with precision and speed. Computer vision is a rapidly growing field that enables engineers to develop intelligent systems that can detect, recognize, and interpret visual data. 3D printing is a game changer for engineers who need to create complex objects quickly and accurately. By using additive manufacturing techniques, 3D printing can produce parts with complex geometries, reduce material waste, and increase product customization. AR is a fascinating technology that enables engineers to visualize and interact with virtual objects in the real world. By using AR glasses or mobile devices, engineers can improve design, manufacturing, and maintenance processes. AI is a rapidly growing field that enables engineers to develop intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and adapt to complex situations. Internet of Things is a network of devices, sensors, and systems that enable data exchange, analysis, and action. Cybersecurity is critical in today's digital age to protect organizations from cyber threats, data breaches, and other security risks.